Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the XML parsing in IBM RPGLE. In this video, we'll delve into the details of using the XML parsing technique to convert XML data. What is XML-INTO? The operation code XML-INTO takes information from element in the XML document. The element can be a data structure subfield. Syntax is XML-INTO data structure array %XML, constant name, options. Let's look at a practical example to see XML-INTO in action. Here declared a constant for XML document. XML document is called company. The document is enclosed within single quote. Each record enclosed within employee tag. And each employee tag has ID, name, and department. Then, I define a data structure array into which the XML data will be copied. Note, data structure array should have same fields in same order as defined in XML document. XML-INTO, employee, %XML, WXML, case equals any. The data structure array is employee, and the constant is WXML. The option, case equals any, indicates the XML document can be written in any case. It can be in lowercase or in uppercase. If we do not define case, then by default it will consider lowercase only. In our example, XML document is written in both the cases. Next, I am using for loop to display the data of data structure array. When we call this, it will show the employee ID, employee name, and employee department. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the XML parsing in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming task. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more RPGLE programming insight. Happy coding!